Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove background noise from microphone on Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can remove the noise? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial, first of all going to your search box and type a control panel and go to your control panel. After doing so, select a small category. After that, open a sound. After doing this that, go to your recording section and right click. Make sure that show disabled devices as well show disconnected devices. After that, select a microphone, set as default, and after that go to your properties. After that, go to your level and make sure that the Microsoft level is microphone level is 100%, and after doing this that boost level is less than plus 24. I recommended that you can select it a plus 10 dp. After that, click OK and click OK button and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. Restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.